Good morning, students. Uh, Today we'll start with the introduction for this operations research subject. This is Institute level elective 1015. So this is it is having a total 6 modules. I will not waste the time. We'll see what is there in the syllabus and how we will be completing this syllabus. Okay. So the first is having total 14 hours weightage, second is having 5, then third is also having 5, fourth is having 5, fifth is having 5, and last one is also having 5. Okay, so you can understand very well the weightage of the first module, that is 14, then the rest you can understand 5 5 and this. Okay, so 14 this 10 plus 10, 20 plus 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 4, 29 plus 10, 39. So total weightage is 39 hours. So 14 plus 5, 19 plus 24, 29, then 34, 39. So it looks a very small weightage, that is regular we have 48 hours weightage syllabus, but it's not like that. The syllabus is very vast. It's very difficult to complete the in 48 hours also. So what we have to do is I'll give you a solution, or I'll give logic of how to solve the problem for each and every type. Okay, and I'll solve only one problem. So the remaining you have to do it on your own, so that you will be having the practice of that, and uh, you will be expert into that. So uh, we'll start with the first module, and then we'll go one by one. Then speaking about this overall subject, this is having internal assessment. Okay, obviously of 20 marks, and there will be total 2 internal assessments 2020. So next is term work. There is no any term work for this subject, so that is a good thing, but you have to keep practicing, or you have to keep solving the problems, number of problems, then only you will solve the problem in the exam, because हा जो कंप्लीट सिलेबस आहे याच्यामध्ये थेअरी पार्ट हार्डली असणार आहे, मॅक्झिमम न्यूमरिकल पार्ट असेल. हां, ऑनलाईन एक्झाम असेल तर दॅट इज ओके विथ MCQ, बट जो 40 मार्क्सचा जो रिमेनिंग मीन्स 50% आउट ऑफ 80 मीन्स टोटल 40 मार्क्स. सो 40 मार्क्समध्ये तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम न्यूमरिकल सापडतील. काही 1-2 ठिकाणी फक्त शॉर्ट नोट्स वगैरे असू शकतात. अदरवाईज यू विल हॅव टू सॉल्व मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स इन दिस in the exam for this syllabus, okay, or for this subject. So you'll have to be very alert, because one problem, one numerical have only one solution. Okay, and that is one answer. So in case of theory, it's very easy to get passed in the exam because you can write the answers. If you're not getting so much, then you can write the answers close to the topic, close to the point, and you can just explain the things very nicely or in detail if you're not getting exact points. But here you cannot do like that. Here you have to solve the problems. You have to be very particular in the steps, in following the steps that are required to solve the problems, and you'll be knowing the very important topic in this syllabus or this subject is LPP, linear programming problem. So it just like that you have studied in the 12th or 11th, but that was a graphical method of finding out the solution from considering the number of lines having the equations as y is equal to mx plus c, by considering the x-intercept, y-intercept, and having the intersection of the areas over the graph, that is what xy plane. We can have the solution for maximizing the problem statement or minimizing the problem statement, that is maximizing the profit and minimizing the loss. Okay, so here that you have to solve with the help of numerical using numerical methods. Number of methods are there. So this is all about what optimizing the things for getting optimal solution for any problem, getting optimized solution for number of resources, number of things available at our end, uh, so as to maximize the profit and minimize the loss. So all the methods are there for this task, that is maximize the profit and minimize the loss. Okay, so this is what the objective of objective of this subject, that is operations research. सो जे काही रिसोर्सेस असतील ते आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम युटिलाइज करायचे आहेत, त्याच्यातून मॅक्झिमम कोळून घ्यायचं आहे. सो ऑब्वियसली टू मॅक्झिमाइज द प्रॉफिट and reduce the loss. Okay, so here I will put things in short over here. What will be there in the model number 1, that is LPP, then transportation problems will be there, transportation assignment problems will be there. These points are from the operations research elective in last year for the UG course, and some part was there in MPC, manufacturing planning and control, in the 2008 syllabus. Okay, 8 on 2004 and 8 syllabus. Then it was modified into some resource planning and all subject. Okay, forget about that. Then after assignment, it's integer programming problem. Okay, this is all about model number 1. Then model number 2, queuing models. Then module number 3, simulation. Module number 4, dynamic programming. Module number 5, game theory. And module number 6, inventory models. Okay, so here now what I'll be covering over this is I will just telling you how to solve the problems and how to get the logic for solving the problems and how to uh, score in the exam. Now it don't this subject is not having so much deep knowledge and all. It does not require that much deep level of understanding and all. Simple subject is there, but just numerical problems will be there. Some logic is required, patience are required, so much patience are required, because whenever we are working over this linear programming problem and the assignment of transportation, then integer problems, then during simulation, then game theory, we need a lot of patience to solve the problem. We have to complete the problem uh, somehow, and we must get the solution. Okay, because प्रॉब्लेम कंप्लीट केल्याशिवाय कंप्लीट सॉल्व केल्याशिवाय तेवढा तुम्हाला मार्क्स पण मिळणार नाहीत. अर्धवट सोडला तर त्याचं मिनिंग नसणार आहे. सो प्रॉब्लेम कंप्लीट करावा लागणारच आहे. नाउ आय विल टेल यू द reference books. What I'm preferring is operations research by Kanti Swarup, P.K. Gupta, the last that is mentioned in the syllabus, and that of Hira Gupta. Okay, so in Hira Gupta, number of problems are solved. Here also number of problems are solved. Some Sharma is there, I think, so you can refer that also. More or less all are same. इकडनं तिकडनं शेवटी कॉपीज केलेला आहे त्यांनी पण कुठून तरी. सो जवळपास यू विल फाइंड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द थिंग्स similar from every book for the operations research. Okay, what you can do is you can you can solve one problem and you can learn the other problems. That means you can go through the problems which are already solved in the book, so that will just increase your library of the solved problems, so that will help you during the exam. Now I'll tell you very frankly, it's very difficult to score in this subject in the regular exam. I'm speaking about regular exam, not about the online exam pattern. In case of regular exam pattern, it's very difficult to score in this. Normally out of 80 you can maximum score up to 50-60, because the time required to solve the problem is too much in case of LPP. and maximum weightage is there for LPP and transportation and assignment, so it needs so much time. It's not like a queuing model. You can use the formula and you can get the answer immediately on a single page. Okay, number of pages will be required. You need to draw the columns and all, and you will have to consider the things. You have to solve the things, and then you have to write the things. So much task is there in solving the LPP, and if you are doing a single mistake of calculation, maybe of plus or minus, or just adding and subtracting the things, multiplying things at any point in the LPP problem, then whole answer will go wrong. Okay, so that will create the problem. It will not give you the proper or optimal solution. So you will have to be you will have to take care of the calculations that we do in the LPP problems. Okay, linear programming problems. So for that case, you will have to consider the uh, you will have to consider the equation in the calculator, and you will have to enter the values that we use for the equations. Okay, so then only you can speed up the things. You can complete the problem at the earliest. So I will tell the remedies or ideas for scoring. The rest part is yours. You have to solve the number of problems. You have to keep the practice of solving the problems, and then only you will understand the subject and the uh, how to solve the problems, how to score, and how to complete the paper, because it's even very difficult to complete the paper in the exam. जो काही टीचा अटेम्प्ट असतो तो सुद्धा कंप्लीट करायला कधी कधी वेळ पुरत नाही. So because time required to solve the LPP is very much, so you'll have to take care of that. So this is all about this operations research subject. Okay, this is about 39, but it's not up to 39. It's you can consider this as double. Okay, so here we'll stop, and from the next session we'll be having some start of the syllabus. Okay, thank you so much for patient listening. You know you know how to give internal assessment 1 and 2. That will be online. That will be through Google link right now. If college opens and you get a permission to come at the college, that means all the students, then there won't be any problem. Offline exam will be there. Otherwise Google link will be provided to you. You'll be having 1 hour for 20 marks paper. Now in case of giving attendance, I'll provide you a link at once for giving the attendance. There you can mention the topic of the regular sessions, and you can put the date, and you can submit the attendance. Okay, so after watching the video you have to submit the attendance immediately. Okay, बिकॉज तुम्ही ज्या मोमेंटला सबमिट करता रिस्पॉन्स त्या मोमेंटचा टायमिंग माझ्याकडे येणार आहे. सो आय विल बी कंटिन्युअसली वॉचिंग what is the duration of the video, and at what time you have given the attendance. Okay, so be particular, be sincere. Thank you so much.